a little bit of slow action for a while, but Pop's finally hooked into one.
This might be slightly bigger. It's not a big fish, but
It's got the last two, eh? It's catching up.
well, I'll fish the rest of the day when catching
Oh my
you guys.
God. Try and keep on that other side because I got my thing flailing in the water.
I can't see him yet, James.
Hold on, I'm just gonna move my rod.
I should have.
Just
You can come over on this side.
I got him here.
there we go. Sorry about the video. And I'll switch you spots.
This fish might be a 2-pounder.
Okay.
He's got pull a little bit.
He's trying anyway.
There he's coming up.
He's trying to stay under the boat. Oh yeah, it's a nice one.
That's a nice one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
Well, maybe not even 2, but 2 days.
Yeah, about the length of a 2-pounder, but he's a little bit slim. Okay.
I think you just turned that one.
Yeah, let's turn him out. Okay, I'm just gonna turn this guy out. Not a bad walleye. Oh, there he goes. And back down. Premium.
Yeah, that's probably about the same size. Eh?
Holy cow.
Maybe bigger.
Yeah, maybe you got a big one on. Yeah, I just let him. Oh, I heard a noise in the. I heard a noise behind me. I thought it was a fish jumping.
It's a
What is
big
it?
one.
Big one?
Yeah.
Right on.
Feels big anyways.
Well, it is bigger.
Huh?
Hopefully he's net worthy.
He's down there, that fish still.
He won't come up.
Nope. I can't even see the bottom bouncer.
No, he's fighting good. Drag.
Yeah, it's always a challenge on the drag for them things because if you give them too loose, they get away. If you give them too tight, then the hook pulls out their mouth. Thick.
Because he's really going, though.
Yeah, this could be a nice one. He's got some, maybe it's a 12-pound pike, you never know. Well, it could be.
Yeah, because I just let it sit on the bottom there.
I'm sure it's a walleye. Well, pike pull them off the bottom too, though.
Got enough room on there?
Oh yeah.
Storage.
Hopefully I do. I should. It's the battery power I always got to worry about. Boy, he doesn't want to come up. Wow.
Yeah, he's coming. I see.
There we go. What do we got here?
I can't see him yet. Oh, it's a nice walleye.
Holy cow.
Oh, it's a beauty.
Oh, he's got his fin up for you too.
Oh, beauty.
Okay.
Awesome, yeah.
You send me a still of that, eh?
Oh yeah, you betcha.
Oh,
And
he just
gone.
took off like a scalded.
Premium. Hooked into one. I'll just get a quick look at it. He's got up. Just a little guy.
Yeah.
Give it a show, and then I'll stop this and we'll get him unhooked and released.
James hooked one. I don't know if he's got enough skill to actually get this fish landed, but we're gonna see.
I'd say it's got a little bit of weight.
Might be one of them 2-pounder types, 20-inch. He's got something. It's not, I don't know, 15-inch like we'll be catching a lot of them.
It's definitely a bigger fish. Not doing huge head shakes, so I'm not gonna say it's not nothing over 3 or 4 pounds, I think. I could be wrong. He doesn't want to come up. But it's really hard to tell unless they're really big on the spongy rod.
Yeah, that's what them ugly sticks. They got a lot of spring.
See my
Pretty soft. I can see. I can't see the fish yet.
You can't rip drags, so you can't be fish losses.
It's not a bad one.
No, he's just full of gumbo, this guy. That's
Yeah, 18-inch, something like that. never caught a big pike on that. I don't know if I can deal with it. It's just an L-shaped rod.
There we go. Yeah, he got me pretty good. Nice little walleye. And back.
Gone.
There, he did a U-turn. Yeah, he got me pretty good.
Oh, he did. You know why? Because you don't live right.
Yeah. Okay, let's get back at it. I've got one. Trying to go towards that trolling motor. Oh no, he's out now.
He's down. Nothing's right down.
See in the corner of my eye.
Any better if I move up a little bit?
Sure. See if we can get a look at him. He's got that rod bent pretty good.
Yeah.
I know that.
See that?
Where is he? Should be coming out here.
How long?
Where is he?
He's right there.
Right under the boat. Oh,
Nice.
just a regular sizer.
Yeah.
Not bad though.
He's a nice looking fish though.
Yeah.
Chubby.
Putting him a good fight.
They're really thick, these fish in here now. They're eating good. There we go, yeah, nice one. Fin up and everything. There he goes. Perfect. Glenn's got another one.
If we're not getting any pike on the reel up.
Yeah, no pike today. Let's see if we can see him behind the boat. Oh, he's coming over to this side. Oh, I see him back there. He's way back there. Where is he? There he is down there. Little guy. It's what do they call that? Silly size?
Silly son.
Look at them cut banks so far they go down there though.
Oh yeah, all the way. Or no, they call it fun size.
Fun size.
Yeah, there he goes.
Oh. There you go.
Okay, I got one. Feels a little better. We've caught a lot of fish. I'm kind of not recording a lot of little guys.
He only records when he catches one.
That's right.
If Glenn and I catch one, then he just ignores us.
Yeah, even though.
I mean, we have to get a trophy size before James films us anymore, so.
This is the first one I've hooked in a long time. It's a little better.
Well, it's got something, but
No, it doesn't want to come up, that's for sure.
might be a 2 or 3 pounder, that one, and could be bigger.
I'm not sure.
He's taking a little drag.
Yeah. Yeah, as soon as I get him up, he goes right back down.
Might be a 4 pounder, you never know. Can you see your bottom bouncer yet?
There it is, yeah. There I can see him. Oh yeah, that's a nice one.
It is a nice one.
What, the net?
No, no, no.
It's a 2 pounder, something like that, 22 inch maybe.
I don't know if he's 20, maybe 20 inch. Nice one though. Oh, he's got a lot of gumbo though, that's for sure. That's not a bad one.
No,
Yeah,
nice one.
that's a
Fins up and everything.
typical.
Going back.
Gone.
Gone. Boom. Awesome. Okay, let's get back to her. Okay, Glenn hooked into one that might have a little more weight to it. I'll keep my eye out. Back of the boat. This has been a lot of fun today.
Yes, thanks for getting together.
Yeah, we caught some really nice ones today too.
Yeah. Now I know there are fish in Lake Mcgregor.
That fish is staying down. That's
Yeah.
always a good sign. Oh, there he is. I see him.
It's a pretty good one.
Oh, yeah.
That's a good, strong 2, maybe a bit more.
Oh.
They always look bigger.
Yeah, they always look bigger in the water.
That's a nice fish. It's really healthy.
Yeah.
These fish are nice looking. They're really good beasts.
Oh, look at him. Then I'll get him up and unhooked. Oh, yeah, that's a nice one.
Yeah.
Beauty. Oh, he self-released. Did he get you?
No.
Okay, good.
No. I just
Perfect.
grab one
Just
this
looked into another little walleye. We're catching a lot of fish, so I'm not gonna film every one. I've missed filming quite a few already, but just to show you, they're all about this size, so I'm not filming them anymore. But we're having a lot of fun catching a lot of fish, having a great day, no wind. Anyways,
Absolutely spectacular.
yeah, I gotta get this guy unhooked and released. There, I just hooked another one. Bottom mouth. They're all kind of the same size, at 14, 15 inches, but this one really gave me a fight. I was surprised, but let's get him unhooked and released.
They got good stuff. But,
Well, James got another one on.
Yeah, this might be an okay one. I said I wasn't going to video them if they're small anymore, but we'll get one last
Are
one.
you hooked up?
yeah, I just decided to boat.
Oh yeah, it's just under the tendons.
Oh, he doesn't look too bad. See him coming in there.
He's out on the surface, so that tells me it can't be that big. Yeah, just a regular sizer. There we go. Easy. Not too bad. One, he's got his fin up. He's angry, that guy. Back. Whoa, yeah, he's mad. There he goes. Perfect. Okay, let's get back to it. Bob's hooked into one. See how that's just bottom balancer and a shiner minnow. I'm using worms most of the day, but Pops is using shiner minnow now. Oh, I think you're tangled up. Yeah. Uh-oh.
I thought I had one too.
So, I'm gonna have to stop this
over.
and tangle it.
Just go this way.
Okay, we're
Put
good.
the rod
Oh.
around you.
Oh,
Give
they
you
got
a
it
hook.
untangled. Never mind.
But I got one too.
Oh, you got one? Oh, nice. Okay, here. Oh, I'm just gonna stop that one Pop's just got. Oh, get him unhooked. Oh, nope. Here's that one Pop's got. Glenn's got one on. There he's gone. And then we got one on over here. Double header. Let's see what we got here. Staying down. Oh, there he is. Looks like an okay one. There he is. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna let Glenn unhook and release him. I'm gonna take care of that and we'll get back at it. Can't see it yet. Oh, he's staying. Oh, yeah. Regular sizer.
Them things are energetic though, boy.
There's a lot of. They really got gumbo in this lake. Well, I'm gonna stop this because the motor's drowning out the sound. There you go.
They say it's a dead time of the day, but it's pretty lively here right now.
That thing looks big. Unless you got a
I can never tell. As soon as they go over a pound on this rod, that's all I can tell you. I can just tell you it's over a pound. It's real big. It's not real big. But it could be a nice one.
I know it's a hot day. I know that much.
Oh, I see him. The fish are really energetic though. They're really taking runs.
Yeah, he's swirling, so he can't be big.
No, you
Just a regular sizer with a lot of
15, 16 inch, something like
Oh,
that.
he's just heavy, but he's just being fat. That's why it just feels a little heavier.
No, when I make these rigs, I gotta go to the Bass Pro Shops to get the hooks. The Eagle Claw, long shank bait holders. But they're straight shank too, they're not...
Not a bad one.
No.
so...
That ends part 2. Really hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe.